We have a new way for you to download the products and for it to install. When you first boot up the program, you're going to have to enter your serial number. After you enter your serial number, you will click below for the sample folder. So obviously there's no sample folder, so create a sample folder. Just call it Neo Soul Keys Samples. You can put it on your SSD drive or anywhere. So determine where you want your samples. Click open, and then the next thing you do, obviously it says there's no samples there, you go to your downloads and you download all. It's already selected a folder, so it's downloading from the internet and it's going to download everything and extract. And as you can see, the samples are starting to download. Do not mess with it. Let it do its process. Okay, we're getting close to installing. It's installing the last little piece. Still installing. Okay, everything is installed, and it looks like everything's installed and downloaded. What you want to do is reboot. And everything looks installed.